everyone, and welcome to Sarasota Discovered. I'm Sarah Elizabeth Light, Realtor in Sarasota, Florida. Today we're going to talk about new construction and the question of, should I use a realtor? And the simple answer is yes. You're probably thinking, you're a realtor, of course you're going to say yes. Today we're going to talk about why you should use that realtor and the fact that it costs you absolutely nothing. Buying a new construction home can be extremely exciting. You get to pick out your finishing touches, the colors, the cabinetry you want, all that fun stuff. And in that process, it's important to remember that the builder's sales agent works for the builder. So why not have a real estate agent working for you? Now, when I say that it's going to cost you nothing to use a real estate agent, that's because most builders already have it calculated into their cost to pay the real estate agent. By not using that real estate agent, they're not going to come down on the cost of the home. Reason being, you're still paying for it because if they in turn take that off the cost of the home, realtors are no longer going to bring buyers to them, and in turn, they're only going to hurt themselves in the long run. So remember, zero cost for you to use a real estate agent. So you're probably thinking, okay, what can you do for me? Well, the first thing that a real estate agent can do for you is help you pick the neighborhood that works best for you and your family. There are many builders building in many neighborhoods. Along with that comes the choice of your floor plan, as well as your lot. Now, generally speaking, at least in Florida, you have the base price of the home, and then you have the cost of the lot. So a real estate agent listening to you and understanding your goals long term for you and your family can help you pick the best lot for you. Example, are you going to add a pool? How would you like the sunlight to come in on the pool? Do you want to enjoy the pool? Or do you want it so hot that the sun makes it uncomfortable for you to be in the pool? And yes, that happens in Florida. So once you've established the best neighborhood, the best floor plan, and the best lot, you get to go in and pick your final touches, such as your coloring, cabinets, paint, so on and so forth. So what the realtor can do for you is help you decide where to put your money and what's going to be the best for you long term. Example, you might love that teal backsplash, but in 10 years when you go to sell your home, that teal backsplash may hurt you in the resale. So your realtor can help you pick a backsplash that you like. It can also help you pinpoint down, should I spend the extra money now to do a bump out in a window, make a room a little larger, or should I put that money into light fixtures, crown molding, and cabinetry pulls? Well, cabinetry pulls, crown molding, light fixtures, those are easy changes that could be done later. So why put your money into that now? Put it into the things that can't be changed later or more expensive to change later. All right, now it's going to come down to financing if you're financing the home. Now, the builders a lot of times will offer incentives if you choose to use their financing company or their lender, preferred lender. Now, when they do that, you have this pretty shiny incentive over here. But you really need to compare apples to apples. Talk to your real estate agent, see if they have any lenders they recommend. If you're looking at this pile of incentives, but you're going to get a higher interest rate, sometimes it is better to go with a different lender and pass on those incentives. Your bottom dollar long run is more important than what they're offering at that current moment. Right now, we're going to talk about inspections. Your real estate agent should have a list of inspectors in your area, and there's really two types of inspections that I would have done if I were building a new construction home. The first one is pre-drywall. That's where you have the guts of your home and the drywall's not up yet. Once that drywall's up, you can't see behind those walls. So why not have an inspector come out for a couple $100, make sure everything is good before they close up the house. The second inspection I would do is your final walkthrough inspection. Going back through the home, seeing everything that was done after the drywall, make sure everything's working properly, functioning as it should. Because yes, homes from new builders come with a warranty, but it is much easier to have those items fixed before you close than after you've already closed on the home. Negotiations. your real estate agent can negotiate out for you. Depending on the current market and the demand for that builder's product, they may or may not come off the final price of the house for you. However, your real estate agent can negotiate other areas for you. Example, you go to the design center and you pick out all your upgrades. Well, if they're not going to come off the price of the house, maybe they can give you $10,000 to $15,000 in free upgrades. It happens. Having your real estate agent as a negotiator for you, they can help make that happen. Huge tip I'm going to give you guys. If you are going to look at new construction, before you go pick your realtor, when you walk into those model homes and they have you fill out that card of your information, they need to know at that point if you have a realtor. If you don't indicate you have a realtor, it is a harder process later down the road. So overall, having a real estate agent help you through your build process costs you nothing, so why not have someone on your side working for you? These are just a few benefits to having a real estate agent for new construction. If there's anything specifically you would like me to elaborate on or any questions you have, please comment below or reach me at 941-402-3837 or email me, Sarah@sarasotadiscovered.com.